Hey, I'm Antoine. I'm going to teach you enough about music theory in 5 minutes so you never have to think about it again. So we're going to go over 3 things today, okay? 1, melody. 2, keys. 3, harmony. So, melody is the most important part of the song. It's the thing that people remember. It's the thing that gets stuck in your head. So a few examples for you. Yeah, that's the melody. Yeah, that's also the melody. So you're probably saying, Antoine, isn't that the hook? Isn't that the catch? Yeah, kind of, yeah. It's pretty much the same thing. What makes a good melody? Well, it needs to feel genuine. It needs to feel authentic. It needs to feel real. So if someone is singing about a heartbreak, you want to feel the pain, you know? Or if someone's saying they're sick and tired of something, they need to look like they're sick and tired of something, you know? The chorus usually contains the melody. Not always, because there's no real set rules in music. But if someone keeps repeating something, even if it's in another art form, like let's say a comedy, and that's the melody too. Number 2, know your keys. You have a vocal repertoire. You got certain notes you can hit, others you can't hit. So if you're singing in a key that you're actually comfortable in, you're gonna be able to take more risks. Hallelujah! And it's gonna make it much more interesting. You're gonna be able to add tremolo and I left your house this morning. You need to be able to play songs in a key that you're comfortable in. And how do you know which keys you're comfortable in? Well, you gotta learn your keys, I'm sorry to say. Another reason why you should know your keys is that chord progressions are kind of a thing. Let's say you're making pop music. There's the classic progression I'm putting on the screen now, right there, yeah. And wherever you play this progression on the scale, it's gonna sound freaking awesome. It's gonna sound great. You can tone it down to whatever key you want, and it's gonna sound amazing. Just because they're following the same progression. So this can help you when it comes to music writing to know which chord progressions work. And how are you going to know the chord progressions if you don't know which key you're playing? Harmony is a combination of notes in a different pitch. So let's say you're adding bass. Bass is going to be able to hit a lower octave than you're able to hit on your guitar. So it's going to add some texture, right? Or if you're playing up an octave, then that's gonna add some texture too. Let's just take the song Rock You Like a Hurricane. So this song is an E major. So it starts with da-na-na, which is an E major. When the guitar kicks in the intro, it goes he's playing 2 different E octaves. So that sounds great, right? Because that's the key of the song. And then the little sneaky geniuses, they go hit the triad, they hit the E with the B. So the B is also found in that da-na-na. It's the I don't know if you know. So that's the B right there. So it goes from E to the triad B. So both these things are adding harmony and texture to the song. I hope that's interesting and clear. Another cool thing about harmony is that it's super important when it comes to doing a chorus. Usually there's going to be additional instruments that are added in the chorus to make it a little bit louder, a little bit more pleasant for the ears. And how do you do that? Well, you add harmonies. So you can add backup singers, singers that are singing up an octave or down an octave. Now you know everything I know, so congratulations on knowing about music theory. Honestly, there's a lot more to this, but this is a pretty good explanation, I think, of the basics. So now you know melody, keys, and harmony, which are the backbones of music theory. All right, thanks, bye, see you in the next video, bye.